Good morning, student. Today we will continue our chapter 7 linear equation in one variable, and there are some equation we will solve it by simple process or using by transposing method. See in this question first, 7x plus 13 is equal to 4x plus 43. We are using both method for solution of this, then after we will continue the transposing method. In this C, our question is 7x plus 13 is equal to 4x plus 43. In this type of question, there are both side variable term, here 7x and there 4x. Then how to solve it? It depends on value that we want to solve, left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. See, there is 7x, there is 4x. You want to remove 7x from this equation or you want to remove 4x from this equation, it depends on you. So suppose this is smaller term, so I want to remove 4x from both sides. So what we will write down, similar thing, that subtract 4x both sides. Then our equation becomes 7x plus 13 minus 4x, 4x plus 43 minus 4x. 4x to 4x cancel, 7x minus 4x becomes 3x plus 13 is equal to 43. Now it becomes simple equation as we already solved. Now see, variable term only one, there is a constant term 13 and 43. How to solve it? We want to remove this plus 13, then subtract 13 both sides, then it becomes 3x plus 13 minus 13, 43 minus 13, then it becomes 3x, this cancel out, is equal to 30. Now this x, 3 is in multiplication of this, it means we will do division. So divide by 3 both sides, then it becomes 3x by 3 is equal to 30 by 3. Then cancel out, it becomes x, this is 10. Then our answer is x is equal to 10. This is a simple procedure. Now how to solve by the transposing method? In transposing method, see how to solve this equation. Transpose method. In transpose method, we will try to take same variable terms in one side and constant term in another side. So see here, 7x plus 13. This 4x I want to take here because this one is smaller. Then if we change from RHS side to LHS side, then obviously it will come here and with negative sign. Then after 7x minus 4x, 3x, 3x plus 13 is equal to 43. Now constant term, we want to remove it. So when you change the side here, then it will come in with negative sign, then it becomes 33x. 3 is in multiply, we need the value of only variable. Then in multiplication, here if we take, then it will come in division, then your answer becomes x is equal to 10. So you can see easily in transposing method we need less step compared than the simple method. So we try to use now transpose method in our further questions. See more examples how to solve the equations. We can say here x is equal to 10. root of this equation or solution of this equation. Now see question number 2. It is given to you 8y minus 3 minus 5y is equal to 24. If you see properly, there are like terms on the same side. It means firstly we have to do simplify. Then 8y minus 5y, 8 minus 5, 3. 3y minus 3 is equal to 24. I am using transposing method now. Then this minus 3, constant term, this is also constant term. When you change the side, then it will come 24 plus 3. Then 3y is equal to 27. Here see, 3 is in multiplication. When you change the side, it will come in division. 27 by 3, it means y value become 9. So we can say y is equal to 9 is the root of this given equation. See now more. Third one question. 5 into 6x plus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 8 plus x plus 2. If anything in bracket, these type of grouping symbols and this type of sign is called parenthesis. If any one is in this parenthesis, then firstly we remove the grouping symbol. Then for removing the grouping symbol, we will just do multiply in this. 5 firstly multiply by 6x, then 5 6 are 30x. Then this sign is plus, then 5 multiply by 1, that is 5 1s are 5 is equal to, similarly here 3 multiply by minus 8 minus 24, 3 multiply by plus x, 3 into x, 3x plus 2. Now firstly solve the like term. Minus 24 plus 2, that is minus 22. Now the same thing we will use the transposing method. 30x is greater than 3x, it means we will shift 3x here. This has the positive sign. When you change here this side, then this will become negative. It becomes 33 minus 3 means 27x plus 5 is equal to minus 22. Now this one 5 is constant term. When you change the side, then it becomes 27x is equal to minus 22 minus 5. 27x is equal to minus 27. Now see, it is in multiplication. Then when we change the side, then it come in division. Then your answer is minus 1. It means x is equal to minus 1 is the solution or root of this given equation. Solve the other problems. It's very easy if you solve properly. 10y minus 0.2 multiply by 7 minus y equal to 9. You know very well that practice more and more, then you will good in these type of questions. See here, 10y. What we will do firstly? We will do firstly remove parenthesis, then multiply 0.2 into 7. 0.2 multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14, but 1 decimal. It means this is equal to 1.4. Minus minus plus. 0.2 into y, 0.2 y is equal to 19. If you see, there are like term 10 minus 0.2. 10 minus 0.2, it means 10.0. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 9 remaining. So this becomes 9.8y minus 1.4 is equal to 19. Wait. There is plus sign. So 10 plus 0.2, it means 10.2y minus 1.4 is equal to 19. This is plus, then answer is 10.2. 10.2y is equal to 19. This minus change into the plus in transposition, then it becomes 10.2y is equal to 19 plus 1, 20.4. Now here this is in multiplication, then when you transpose, then it will come in division. Then 1 decimal cancel out, 102 to the 204, then your answer will be 2. Y is equal to 2 is the solution of this given equation. Okay, see more. Now see question number 5. If 5m minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 11, find the value of 2m plus 3. So it means firstly we have to find out the value of m, then we put the value of n in this equation, then we will get the value of 2m plus 3. Then see 5m minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 11. If we are using transposing method, this 2 division in this complete equation, it means for removing it we have to do multiplication. This 2 from division to multiplication, then it becomes 5m minus 2 is equal to minus 22. Now this is a constant term minus 2, then when you transpose it, then it will come in plus 2, that is minus 20. Now 5m is equal to minus 20. So this 5 we want to remove, then we have to do transpose. Here it is in multiplication, then in transposing we will take in division, then it become minus 4. It means m value is minus 4. Put this value in this 2m plus 3. So see 2m plus 3, put m is equal to minus 4, then 2m plus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 3 plus minus minus 2 4 is 8, minus 8 plus 3, see plus minus minus. In this plus minus minus, it means 8 minus 3, but with this negative sign, it means with the result it will come negative sign, then your answer will be minus 5. So this time we will solve the equations using transposing method. Now see one more thing, some statements if we write down in the equation. Suppose it is given to you 8 decreased by, you already studied in 6th class this type of thing, 8 decreased by 3 times a number equals to 8 decreased by 3 times a number equals to. What is the meaning this? 8 decreased by, it means whichever things we have, we will do minus 8. 3 times a number. We don't know the number, so let a number is equal to 8. 3 times a number, it means 3 multiplied by 8. 8 decreased by, it means in this decreased 8. Equals means equal sign, 2. Then find the value of a. What is the number? See, it means equation is 3a minus 8 is equal to 2. 3a, this minus 8 when you transpose, then 3a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 10. This 3 is in multiplication, when you do transpose it will come in division. Then a is equal to 10 by 3. See another thing. Suppose it is given to you quotient of m divided by 5 is 6. It means when you divide m divided by 5 is मतलब equal sign is equal to 6. m by 5 का quotient आता है 6. So what is the value of m? Simple equation. Here is in division, then it will come in multiplication. Then m value is 30. Okay student. Now your 7a exercise complete. Do complete in your notebook with examples. In the next lecture we will discuss now 7b. Thank you.